We're done with the first section already. Let's review what we just learned. This section laid the foundation for must-know maintenance industry concepts. We covered terminology, asset management methods, and failure analysis techniques that'll all help you on your journey to becoming an expert in maintenance and reliability. The first concepts we covered were the most foundational, understanding maintenance management, reliability, and the difference between them. Put simply, maintenance management is the process of maintaining a company's assets and facilities, while reliability refers to the long-term approach to maintenance management that keeps equipment operating consistently for longer. Next, we moved on to concepts that you'll use every day, from types of maintenance tasks to work orders and assets. Then we covered failure analysis and the various methods you can use to uncover the causes and effects of equipment failures. Failure analysis is the process of collecting and investigating data related to equipment failure in order to determine both the cause and what corrective actions should be taken. The most common approach to failure analysis is root cause analysis, which works to identify the origin of any incident that happens. There are a few methods for root cause analysis, such as the 5 whys, fault tree diagrams, and fishbone diagrams. Finally, we went over standards and regulations that are common across the maintenance and reliability industry. Standards and regulations are two methods of creating safety, consistency, and known best practices across the industry. Standards are largely enforced across the maintenance and reliability industries by two organizational bodies, the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, and SAE International, a standards organization that was previously the Society of Automotive Engineers. Similarly, regulations are enforced by different bodies of the federal government, such as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, and the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS. OSHA and the FDA enforce safety regulations, while the IRS focuses on asset management regulations. This was a great section to get started on, but we're ready for the next one. In Section 2, we'll look at the three main maintenance applications: facility maintenance, equipment maintenance, and fleet maintenance. We'll learn about each and the nuances of maintenance applications across industries. Let's go!